Hi, I'm Joe, a Warsaw-based shooting instructor. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate my technique for shooting right-handed bolt-action rifles left-handed. While I am right-handed, I can only shoot long guns left-handed. So, if you are a left-handed shooter who wants to shoot right-handed military bolt-action rifles, don't despair, it's quite easy. Simply tilt the rifle slightly to the left, run your left hand along the stock, and use your thumb to hook onto the bolt handle. It should be done as a smooth movement. Wax on, wax off, wax on, wax off. Make sure that you do not bend your wrists in order to avoid the horrors of tendinitis and carpal tunnel syndrome. If you are using a scoped rifle, it's a little bit more difficult, but it's still possible to do. Really, the only guns that a left-handed shooter should avoid are bullpups configured for right-handed shooting, as usually the ejection ports on those guns will be right next to your face. When I shoot prone, I cycle the bolt with my right support hand. And now you know how to shoot a right-handed bolt-action rifle left-handed. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Check out my various machine gun and rifle instruction playlists, and follow me on Facebook at facebook.com/SurviveWithJoe. Thanks for watching.